Aloha from Japan. In this episode of Sincerely Dawn, I take you on a tour of my little office here, give you a Jamazon update, show you how we're battling the humidity inside our Japanese home, and it isn't even really raining yet, and take you on a little snack spree to our Konbini Lawson up the street and do a little taste test of some of our snacks that we picked and to show you some of the goodies that we saw today when we went to venture. Enjoy! And I thought you may want to see what our office looks like, where I do my live streams and edit my videos and sit and chat with you guys. And I created a space for Zach, so he does his school and things there. We moved this couch up here for some rest and relaxation, take a break to read and everything. And this is my workstation. I have my extra monitor there, my laptop, my ring light for when it's dark at night. And then I forgot about this one. I just recently found that one. That one's actually a really nice light. My microphone, my laptop and stand and keyboard and stuff. My multi-USB thingy. And this is my view. This is our neighbor's roof. But I like sitting here. It's just so peaceful. I'll let you hear what it sounds like. Hold on, give me a minute. Hard to do reaching across. But the neighbor has such beautiful plants. Such a beautiful yard and all kinds of plants and things. And I just love sitting here in quiet. You can hear the birds. It's just a quiet neighborhood. And then out this window is down here. That is the little coffee shop that Zach and I went and had breakfast. We had lunch there yesterday. And cars are down at the bottom, and you can't see it, but just right around that corner is the Lawson. This is our space. Still a work in progress. Got a little cluttered up, but I did a live this morning. Thank you for those that logged on. Did some house searching with me and dreaming and looking at different houses that are available in Japan. The replay will be posted up on my page. I just hope something that I do and put out there is helpful and encouraging and worth it to you. Thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate everyone that logs on, every comment, every token of support. I just appreciate it. So thank you so much. We have these. We lucked up because someone was moving and we got these wonderful dehumidifiers. They're like $400 online, and she gave them to us for 20 bucks, 10 bucks, 20 bucks. But it's full from overnight and it's like 66 degrees. And we got these it's 74 degrees humidity in here right now. It really should be running. I've got to empty it so it can continue doing its job. And it's not even raining outside. I think we need to get a few more of these. Amazon made it here. I called Amazon customer service because my scan disc had been attempted delivered 6 times already. And I'm just gonna turn this way because there's a nice light here. And so they fixed the address, and I just got some packages here, and I unwrapped the first one. We love Kanako powder? Kanako powder. The brown, dusty things they put on mochi, they put on ice cream. Oh, we love it on our ice cream. And so Kevin's like, oh, just order some from Amazon. I did, and I thought I was ordering a small little package. Look at this 1 kilograms of Kanako powder. Anyone need some Kanako powder? This will last us 5 years. Zach! Oh my gosh. This is huge. It's so big. How are we gonna eat all that? Okay, you can open this one. I can't believe this. This is so huge.
A lot.
And
Paper towels?
toilet paper. Royal Touch toilet paper. 12 rolls.
Nice.
Oh, it's the scented kind. Nice. Yep, but the scan disc is not delivered yet. That is going to be, he said, delivered tomorrow. I will keep you posted on that. I did find the link on, I like sitting by the window. I did find the link on Google Maps where you can add or correct a location. And I did put our address in and it said it registered it. So we'll see. It still just shows an empty lot here. It's like puts the pan in the middle of just a dirt lot. But maybe that will help them find our house eventually. And we can start using our actual address to put it in for directions and the train and things like that. I'll keep you posted to see if, also my stool from April 5th that never got delivered, it's still out for delivery. Arriving soon, out for delivery since April 5th. The guy today on the customer service, Amazon customer service said, oh, it's gonna be delivered today. I don't think so. It's still got time to be delivered, but I think he got mixed up and I think he misunderstood. So we'll see. If it doesn't, I'm gonna contact Amazon again tomorrow and see if they can send me another stool because I've paid for it and I don't have it, so. We're going to get a snack. Yeah, Lawson's, here we come. Yay. We love our Lawson. But okay, ooh, you're blurry. That's better.
Gotta clean this.
Yeah, gotta clean the bird poop and that's from the tree.
Birds from the tree.
But that's sap dripping from the tree. And so, lovely humid day, but the rain hasn't hit yet. It's gonna rain the rest of the week.
It's not as hot today, but it's humid.
I wondered, I knew it was close by. But it was that close by. Okay, this is our combini right up the street. Literally like 2 seconds. Up the street. They have the mochi rolls. Oh, they have the mochi donuts. Oh, that's smooth. Hokkaido cream. Yeah, get my rose. Cake with cream. Oh, the ice cream. So yummy. I have little sorbet things here. Strawberry frappe. What? This one is a caramel frappe. Ah, this one's new. That's good. Hi-chew bar. I'm curious. I think I'm gonna get one of those. No, it's horrible. Horrible. All the drinks. Beautiful. Like a mint chocolate chip.
It's a lot of ice cream.
And they freeze. It started freezing. Look, they freeze some of the drinks. So
Oh yeah, this is frozen.
extra,
It's like super frozen.
extra refreshing.
Just different.
Oh,
So different layer.
nice. And also get hot drinks. Hot.
Custard.
Like the
The one you had. What's it called?
creme brulee, but no, that's not the creme brulee. Hey, here's our Lawson's haul, snacky snack. What did you get?
Got an a la mode chocolate vanilla. Different layers. Different layers. Chocolate ice cream.
So it's got chocolate syrup in there too.
Chocolate syrup, vanilla, chocolate ice cream. It's delicious.
I'm not gonna have all these at the same time, but got another Hokkaido cream cake thing for us to share. This is my other really favorite twisted donut with custard and whipped cream. So fresh, so moist and yummy. We're gonna share those. And then I just couldn't resist getting the Hi-Chew ice cream. Hi-Chew. I think the outside is Hi-Chew
Blue raspberry.
and the inside is ice cream. I don't know. We're gonna try it. And then my other two, I've talked about these before. This is Coke that has fiber and other healthy, yummy stuff in it. Good for your body, Coca-Cola Plus. And this is fat burning green tea. Jasmine is my favorite flavor. So these are for later. I'm gonna have this one now. But you wanna try your ice cream and I'll try the Hi-Chew blue raspberry. I'm gonna try yours.
It's good. It's not too frozen. Watch out.
Is that ice cream already at the top? Oh, that was like whipped cream.
Or it could be whipped cream. Is it?
I don't know, but it's good.
Yeah.
I think it is whipped cream. It tastes very
Frozen
good.
whipped cream?
Yeah.
Never heard of that.
All right. Here is the Hi-Chew. I wonder if it's gonna be chewy. It's like an ice pop. It tastes like blue raspberry Hi-Chew. I thought it was gonna be like chewy, but it's more
Very
blue
blue raspberry.
Very blue raspberry. Why don't you give me a fork?
Yeah, for this.
Let me try this one. The Hokkaido milk cream cake roll. And we do not go every day. We only go occasionally, believe it or not, although it's very tempting to go every day.
Could go every day, but not.
Oh, so soft. I can't get over how soft and fluffy it is. So creamy. Oh, it just like melts. It just disappears. It just kind of like goes. And that's our haul for today. Not just for this week. I don't know. It's only, what's today? Tuesday?
Yeah, so I don't know. We'll see. Maybe go again.
Hey, till next time. My heart's yours. Sincerely done.